Hi everyone, welcome back and thanks for clicking on this video. We are back to our technical drawing CSEC CXC paper 1 series, and as you can see here we'll be doing May-June 2014. Alright, so let's get into it. Number one, AB is equal to, so of course we have an ellipse here, and this is A and this is B. So AB is equal to the minor axis. So the answer is B. Number 2, which of the following is the correct orthographic view of the shaped block shown above when viewed in the direction of the arrow? So this is the block, this is the arrow. A is wrong, B is wrong, C is wrong. The answer is D, number 2, D. Which of the following circles is correctly dimensioned? So we have this. B is not correct, neither is C. R is not correct. The answer would be A. Right? When you're doing the radius, there's no space between the R and the number. A is correct. Number 3A. Number 4, if a scale of 1 to 100 is used in a drawing exercise, then an object 2,000 millimeters long would be represented on paper as what length, right? So this is a ratio. So if the object in real life is 2,000 millimeters long, then on the drawing, it will be 20 millimeters long. So the answer is A. Number 5, which of the following drawings represents a scalene triangle? Now, a scalene triangle has 3 different sides and angles. So looking at these triangles, the answer will be C. Number 6, if the perimeter of a rhombus is 152 millimeters, then the length of one side is, so a rhombus is basically a leaning square. All the sides have the same length. So what we do is we divide 152 by 4, and that will give us 38. All right, so the answer is B, 38. Number 7, the diagram above shows part of the construction necessary for drawing an ellipse. What term describes the points E and F? So this is E and this is F, and they are clearly focal points. So number 7, C. Number 8, if a triangle has a perimeter of 198 millimeters and it's constructed with the sides in the ratio of 2 to 3 to 4, then the shortest side is, and what we do here is we add the ratio. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and 4 is 9. So 198 divided by 9 will give us 22. So each unit is 22. So the shortest side will be 2 by 22, which is exactly 44. B, number 8B. Number 9, which of the following instruments is used to quickly draw such items as bolt heads, nuts, and electrical and architectural symbols? Stencil, protractor, radius curve, beam, compass. The answer is A, a stencil. Stencil, A. Number 10. On which of the following planes is the plan shown? So we have 3 planes. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. And if we look at it carefully, we can see that the plan is shown on 3. All right, this is the view from above. So the answer is C. Number 11, which of the following methods of drawing an ellipse involves constructing a rectangle? Concentric circles, intersecting arcs, trammel, or intersecting line? The answer is D, intersecting line. It's also known as the rectangle method. Number 12, which of the following illustrates how to bisect a straight line? Just very quickly looking at it, the answer is A. 13, which of the following correctly defines a locus? So it's the calculated circumference, a point which moves and traces a path, the area enclosed by two radii and an arc, or a right angle triangle wrapped around a cylinder. The answer is B. It's a point which moves and traces a path. Number 14, which of the following statements best describes an equilateral triangle? The answer is A. All the sides and angles are equal. Number 14A. Number 15. Which of the following drawings illustrates an internal tangent? That would have to be C. This is an internal tangent here. And the construction checks out. D is close, but it's not entirely accurate. This external tangent is not necessary. If you look at C on this paper, the line seems to be a bit bent, but I'm sure that's just printing error. So number 15, C. Number 16, a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides is the answer is C, trapezium. A trapezium has one pair of parallel sides. Number 17, in the diagram above, the angle EFH is actually a 90-degree angle. This is a right angle triangle, although it may not seem like it. So answer D, 90 degrees. Number 18, given a point P on the circumference of a circle, which of the diagrams below best demonstrates the principle of constructing a tangent to a circle through a given point? The answer is A. The answer is A. So they draw a normal through the point, and then they constructed a 90-degree angle, which was or is the tangent. Number 19, the diagram above shows how to construct a triangle when given the, right, so we have a right angle triangle here. So what would they have given us? It's triangle ABC. The altitude and vertical angle, the hypotenuse and one angle, the altitude and base angles, the perimeter and vertical height. So the answer is B, the hypotenuse and one angle. In this case, the hypotenuse would be AC, so it's AC. And the other gave us the 30-degree angle here, or the 60, etc. Number 20. In the figure above, ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. What is the value of angle X? So this is angle X here. And seeing that this is a regular hexagon, angle X will be equal to 60 degrees. So the external angle of a hexagon is 60 degrees. If it were a pentagon, 5 sides, it would be 72 degrees. Number 21, in the diagram above, ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD. The triangle CDE is equal in area to, it's actually half of ABCD. It's half because they share the same base being DC. They share the same height, right? Same height. So because they share the same base and the same height, and this is a quadrilateral and this is a triangle, it means that this is half the area, the triangle is half the area of the parallelogram. Number 22, a triangle of perimeter 150 millimeters is constructed with a ratio of sides 2 to 3 to 5. Which of the following is the length of one of its sides? Right, so again, we have to add up the ratio. So it's 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 5 is 10. And then divide the total length, the total perimeter, by the sum of the ratio quantities. So 150 divided by 10 is 15. So each unit is 15. So 2 by 15 is 30. 30 is not here. 3 by 15 is 45. That's B. And 5 by 15, it's not here. It's not here. All right, so the answer is B, 45. Number 23, in order to construct a tangent from the point P to the circle in the diagram above, one must first draw a semicircle. Nope. Draw an arc. Nope, that's very random. Join P to a point on the circumference. Nope. Join P to the center. The answer is D. Right? So the first thing we'll do is we'll connect P to the center of the circle. That's the first thing that we'll do. Number 24. In the diagram above, the ratio of the area of EFGH to that of EGIJ is, the ratio is 1 to 2. 1 to 2. So EFGH is half the area of the bigger square. Number 25, the conic section of A at A above appears as C. It's a parabola. It will be a parabola C. Number 26, which of the following are orthographic views of the diagram above? So this is the diagram above. 1 is definitely an orthographic view. 2 is also an orthographic view. 3 looks questionable. So we'll go with 1 and 2 only. So the answer is A. Number 27. To draw a circle to pass through the 3 points given, that's E, F, and G, one must first construct tangents to the... draw a circle 30 millimeters. Draw any chord and bisect it. Construct chords EF and FG. EF and FG. D. First, we have to draw EF and FG. These are chords on the circle. And then bisect them to get the center of the circle. Number 28. The diagram above illustrates the proper method of constructing an ellipse with a trammel, finding the foci, the normal, and the tangent of an ellipse, finding the foci of a parabola. Nope. Constructing the no. B. Finding the foci, the normal, and the tangent of an ellipse. Number 29. What is the length of EF in the construction above? This is EF here. So EF would be the length of one side of this square. So the answer would have to be 55 because 75 is the length of this, the long side of the rectangle. And 40 is about 3/4 of the length of the side. It's 55. It can't be anything else. Number 30. So we have this diagram here. Using orthographic projection for the diagram above with the view G as front, so this is the front. The end view H will be, all right, will it be A, B, C, or D? A is definitely the answer. All right, so number 30A. Number 31, which of the following drawings shows triangles of equal area between parallel lines? A very, very common question. The answer is A. Again, number 31A. Number 32. The bisector of the line AB is correctly shown by the drawing in. All right, so this is AB. The bisector would be B. B as in boy. Number 33, when preparing a drawing sheet, all horizontal lines are drawn with a T-square, B. 34, which of the following illustrates the normal of an ellipse? The answer is D. This would be the normal here. 35, which of the following constructions shows the procedure for drawing a perpendicular at the end of a line? B, number 35B. Number 36, the diagram above shows the development of a truncated, this is a cylindrical pipe, A, 36A. Number 37, which of the following procedures is used when constructing the circumscribed circle of a triangle? Procedures. Draw any two chords. Draw the extension of two sides. Bisect any two angles. Bisect any two sides. D, number 37D, you have to bisect any two sides of the triangle. 38, three sequential steps for drawing a tangent to a circle from any point outside the circle are: bisect the line, draw a line, and choose a point. Draw a circle and choose a point outside, drawing the center to the point. All right, so the first thing you have to do is draw the circle. So 2 must be first. Okay, only one response has 2 as first, which is B. So you'll draw the circle and choose a point outside. Then we'll join the center to the point outside. And the last step would be to bisect the line which joins the center. So 38B. 39, in the diagram above, which of the labeled types of line indicates a cutting plane line? So we have 1, which is here. We have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. So the answer is 2. B2. This is a cutting plane line. On a previous video, in a previous paper, I made an error and I said it was 3, but it's actually 2, right? That was an error on my part, and I do apologize. Number 40, which of the following constructions shows the proper method of bisecting an angle? The answer is D, number 40, D. Number 41, the lines marked X on the diagram above are symbols which indicate, so this is one X and this is the other, axes of symmetrical parts that the edges are to be measured. D, number 41D, the continuation of the objects. Number 42, which of the following is a view of a right square pyramid? That's C. Right? The base of the pyramid is actually a square. Number 43, which of the following diagrams illustrates the procedure for drawing a perpendicular to a line from a point outside the line? All right, it's definitely B, so the point is P. They use P as center of this arc. They drew the arc to cut the horizontal line at X and Y, and then they used it as centers to bisect and to get a nice vertical line that is perpendicular to XY. Number 44, the drawing above is to be reproduced in third angle projection. On which of the following views can the distance X, so this is X here, be measured. So let's assume that this side is the front. So the side with X will be one of the side elevations or end elevations. You'll definitely see it from the plan. So the plan must be in the answer. So 2 must be in the answer. So B is out because B doesn't mention the plan. And D is out because D says all 3. The answer is actually the plan and the end. So that's 1 and 2. So the answer is A. Number 44A. 45. The true shape of the cut surface AA on the right cone above is... The answer will be B. If you cut it diagonally like this, then it will give an elliptical shape. So the answer is B. Number 46. In technical drawing, the phrase curves meeting each other tangentially means that the curves will meet smoothly, will not blend properly, have sufficient clearance, will meet at right angles. 46A. 46A. Number 47. In the diagram above, which of the following is the correct orthographic view from X? So X is the view from above. It's the plan view. And the answer would have to be C. C. You'll see this line solid here. And you'll also have this hidden line. Number 47, C. Number 48. When a cube is drawn in isometric projection, each of its sides is a... It's a good question. I would say rhombus. It's a rhombus. Each of its sides is a rhombus. C. Number 49. Triangle ABC is drawn within a semicircle of diameter 100. So the side AC, which would be the hypotenuse, is 100. AB is equal to 80. So this is AB here. What is the length of BC, which is the shorter side? The answer is 60. 60. D. Number 50. In the diagram above, the line AB, so this is AB, AB is definitely a tangent. B. Number 51. Which of the following shows the development of a square pyramid? The answer is D. D for dog. We can clearly see here that the base of the pyramid is square, and then we have the 4 sides. None of the others are square-based pyramids. In which of the following projections is the diagram illustrated above drawn? This is an isometric projection, A. Number 53. If a rectangle with sides 175 millimeters is constructed accurately, then each of the diagonals should measure... The answer is D, 125. This is some math. This is mathematics. Can't go into everything right now, but 125 for the diagonal. Which of the following statements provides accurate information about dimension lines? Dimension lines should be thick full lines. Construction lines may be used. Dimension lines are placed between extension lines. C. Dimension lines are placed between extension lines. 55. What is the value of the angle? I think this is beta. This would be 60 degrees. C, 60 degrees. If we had a horizontal line here, the adjacent angle would be 30. 30 and 60 would give us 90. So beta is C, 60 degrees. Number 56. The diagram above shows the development of A square transitional piece. D, a square transitional piece. None of the other answers make sense, really. 57. Which of the following drawings is a trapezium? The answer is D. D. 58. The method of construction shown in the diagram above is used to draw a tangent through S. Nope. B. Draw a tangent to a circle from a given point P. All right, so this is P, and yeah. Number 59. In the diagram above, EF to EF1, which is this, is in the ratio of 3 to 4. The length of EF is, all right, so EF is, the length of EF1 is, so EF is 45, and the ratio is 3 to 4. If we divide 45 by 3, we'll get 15. So each unit is worth 15. And if we, all right, so 15 by 4 will give us 60. So the answer is C, 60. And number 60, which of the following layouts represents the correct orthographic projection of a shaped block? It's not A. It's B. So this is the front elevation here. This is the side elevation, and this is the plan under the front as it should be. This brings us to the end of our paper. Good luck in the upcoming exams, and thanks for watching.